If your downloads in Opera GX keep going to the wrong folder or your main drive is getting full, here's how to change the download location in Opera GX in under a minute. First, open Opera GX. Now click the gear icon on the left sidebar to open Settings. You can also press Alt and P on your keyboard to open Settings instantly. Once you're in Settings, type Downloads into the search bar at the top. You'll see your current download location. Click the Change button. Now choose the folder where you want all future downloads to be saved. For example, you can create a new folder on another drive like D drive or an SSD if you want more storage space or faster downloads. After selecting the folder, click Select Folder. That's it. From now on, Opera GX will save downloads to the new location automatically. If you want Opera GX to ask you where to save files every single time, stay in the Download section and enable Ask where to save each file before downloading. This is useful if you download different types of files and want to organize them into separate folders. And that's how to change the download location in Opera GX.